A rare find, exquisite and well-kept 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, set far to the back on gorgeous 25 acres of rolling hills pasture land, complete with horse stables, cattle barn and large pond adorned by mature trees. Charming front porch overlooks this expansive property. Perfect place to unwind at sunsets. The location couldn't be better, quiet country living only minutes from Chattanooga attractions and the award-winning Macklemore. Offering renowned mountaintop golf courses, fine dining and a resort. The floor plan is smart. The master bedroom suite is on the main level, boasting a private den, jetted tub, double vanity, shower and walk-in closet. The kitchen's features granite counters accented by a tile backsplash. Enjoy the instant hot water on tap. All appliances convey. The hardwood flooring flows through the living space. Huge great room's center fireplace makes for lovely cozy nights. The yard offers a large deck for enjoying nature and privacy of the woodlands to the rear. Great place to picnic and barbecue. The home offers a massive upstairs living area which will give very one room to roam. No fighting over the bathroom here. One of the smart features is a Jack and Jill restroom. The dormer windows let amazing natural lighting into the upstairs living area of the 3 bedrooms, plus a sizable room that is currently used as the recreation area. The horse/cattle/livestock features on the property are wonderful. The land is fully fenced, offering a 40 feet by 31 feet cattle/hay/equipment barn at one side and the horse stable up near the house of 6 stalls, tack and feed room, poured concrete breezeway, cross-tie area and pasture designated for the stables. The pastures are luscious. Location of the property is a few minutes from world-class horse riding trails in the Cloudland Canyon State Park and Chickamauga Battlefield National Park. Ride your horses to the waterfall in Cloudland through nature's abundance or choose Battlefield to ride through the monuments of history. The entry itself is stately and impressive as you drive through the iron gates. Up the estate's concrete road to the home you will be awestruck by the beauty of the land. On the left of the driveway, there is a new covered RV pad with electricity to plug into. The covered area is